Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be doing a new swatch, just a random color from my collection. This series is called Nail Polish of the Week because I tend to do my nails weekly, but I just don't record it every single time. So what you want to do first is make sure you work with clean nails, so just remove all of your old nail polish or just clean off your nails with a little bit of rubbing alcohol before going in with your base coat. I am using one by Chanel today. I have bought it I think like over a year ago already. And yeah, it's really expensive, but I don't dislike it, so I'm just going to use it up. And of course I already have a gel polish, a base and top coat, like an overlay on my natural nails, just to keep them strong and healthy and also help from discoloration while using really pigmented polishes, which is something that I will be doing today as well. But definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, and of course let me know what nail polish you are wearing right now or what color you are applying while watching this video. I'm also like always really curious to hear about that. This is a safe place for nail enthusiasts, nail polish hoarders, collectors and so on, and I'm always looking for really good, nice, also affordable nail polishes in beautiful colors, so we can all use a little bit of inspiration every now and then. So definitely share what you're wearing or applying to your nails as we speak. But while your base is drying, just look at what color you are going to use, and of course just wait like 5, maybe even 10 minutes depending on the base coat that you're using before going in with your colored polish. I am using a super beautiful orange color by Holo today. This one is called Oh My Gourd. Do I pronounce this correctly? I'm not quite sure. I'm Dutch, so English isn't my mother tongue. So yeah, I think it's Oh My Gourd. It's actually a polish that came out last year during, I think it was like October, Halloween, that kind of vibe, which is my favorite time of year, to be honest. I am an October baby as well. And yeah, being Dutch, I just love oranges. But my camera definitely wasn't loving this orange. It was so bright that it really had some issues keeping like the depth correct and stuff like that. Like it was out of focus a couple of times. Sorry about that, like stuff happens, technical difficulties. Sometimes polishes are just too bright for cameras to really handle it, so yeah, sorry about that. It just happens, you know. But it is such a super pigmented color, and I was actually looking around my nail desk to see what colors I still had like laying around, standing around, waiting for me to use them, and this was one of those colors. But then I looked to the side and I saw the Catrice Super Brights collection, like the 4 colors. I think I swatched in last week's video. And there was an orange in there as well, and I feel like it's quite similar to this polish by Holo. Of course, Holo is a lot more expensive than Catrice Cosmetics. Like the Catrice polishes are like €3, maybe $3.60 tops. The Holo ones are kind of like varying between, I say, like $11 and $15 even. Not to mention shipping, taxes, and so on. So if you are looking to find yourself a color that's quite similar to this Holo one, definitely check out Catrice Cosmetics, because they do have some really good, highly pigmented and long wearing polishes as well. But of course, for today, I am just swatching this one by Holo. I really like the brand. I do feel like sometimes they are a little bit like too expensive for like what you're getting, and it's not like I'm hating on the brand or the people behind it or anything like that, like not at all. I'm just being really honest with you guys, because I would rather be honest than make you guys spend your hard-earned money on something that you don't even really like, and you can get something really similar for less expensive, or a, how do you say that? Like, I can't talk today. What is this? For like a less high amount of money. I don't know, that was not a correct sentence, but you know, it is Sunday. While doing this voiceover, I just had a 6-day work week. Not even to mention all of the stuff I have to do around the house or have already done in my spare time. So I'm a little bit all over the place. I'm tired. I'm like kind of exhausted, to be honest. So sorry if I'm super rambly, but you know, once again, this is a safe place. You can definitely hang out and chill, be rambly, be quiet, whatever you want, you know. But yeah, I just applied the second coat of this beautiful orange color already. Like, as I mentioned, I'm Dutch, I love orange, and even though King's Day is like over a month away, I'd say like almost 2 months from now, I'm already digging the orange nail look, and it's just really festive and very spring and summery, but also definitely a color that you can use during fall as well. I think orange is such a versatile color. I just love it so much. But after your colored coats are completely dry, and of course do wait a reasonable like amount of minutes in between your colored coats as well, even though I'm not like sharing that footage with you in my videos, I do wait about 3 to 5 minutes in between colored nail polish coats. So just a little heads up, I don't just smack on the second layer right after I finished applying the first, because your nail polish will stay very soft, very dentable, and it will definitely smudge and never dry. So yeah, the top coat I'm using is one by Dior. I feel like I've been using this top coat and the Chanel base coat a lot in my recent nail polish of the week videos. That is basically just because I want to get through the bottle so I can try something new. They have definitely cost me a decent amount of money, quite a lot to be honest, like 28 euros or something a bottle. Like, that's insane. But I wouldn't say it is the best top coat, but it is a good one. So yeah, it really depends on what kind of amount of money you want to spend on bases and top coats, but you know, there are similar ones out there that are like 2 euros, just being honest. But yeah, after your top coat is fully dry, you again want to wait like 10 minutes like total, and you can go on with your day. Your manicure is completely done. I just love the look of this orange, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, do you have this color yourself? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.